This is a 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include keyless ignition, alloy wheels, and hill start assist. The following features are also included: an off-road package, dual power seats, cruise control, side impact airbags, air conditioning, full power accessories, running boards, traction control, roof rails, and this vehicle has less than 21,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Thank you for considering Stonebriar Chevrolet in Frisco for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 9950 Highway 121, just east of Stonebriar Mall, and only minutes from anywhere in the Metroplex.